Even though you own the best and expensive machine, it needs maintenance. Yes, you heard right, it needs maintenance. Hi, I am Prabhakar Mourya, your innovative water expert, and today I am going to talk about the best machine in the water ionization industry and its maintenance. It requires of the maintenance actually. First of all, let me thank you very much for using a water ionizer on our advice. For sure it is going to benefit the health of your family, and we are on a mission to educate you each and every aspect of this machine with regards to its function, with regards to its properties, with regards to its service part, such that you can take the maximum benefit of this machine. Now this machine is K8, mighty K8. It is one of the best in its segment in the water ionizing industry. It has basically three types of maintenance. One is called e-cleaning, which need to be done once in a month. The other one is deep cleaning, which needs to be done once in a year, and then the replacement of the filter which is there inside it actually. Now that has to be changed once in a year or 6,000 liters, whichever is earlier. In this video I am going to explain you about e-cleaning of this machine. E-cleaning which need to be done once in a month. Again, it depends upon the water quality what you are input to this machine. If the water whatever you are inputting inside the machine, it is of more hardness, then the inside plates gets the scaling in a faster way, and then again you need to make it you need to have this cycle, the e-cleaning cycle, in a better in a faster cycles actually. So now I am going to take you to the e-cleaning process of K8 machine. In fact, the e-cleaning process for HD501 and Super and Junior 4 or Junior 2 is different, and for K8 is different. It's pretty easy in K8 as it is completely intelligent system. I would be taking this now you can see it. Let me take this video near to it. Yeah. Now there is a button called settings here, and then in this one you have language, volume, pH settings, and then e-cleaning. The e-cleaning you need to click it up. The moment I click the e-cleaning, oh sorry, this is a pH settings, e-cleaning. So e-cleaning instructions, if you say yes, then it says that e-cleaning step number 1, and then the beauty of this machine is that it will explain you step by step. It's all user interface, very easy and very beautiful way you can do it actually. And it's saying that pour 2 packages of e-cleaning powder into the cleaning tank filled with 370 ml of water and mix it thoroughly. So this is the e-cleaning tank. This is the cleaning tank, you can see it. This is the cleaning tank which comes with along with the machine, and you need to open this lid, press it. When you are opening that, press and take it out, and this is the enhancer, electronics enhancer tank. You need to take it out and keep it aside. In this one I need to open it. I need to just open it, and this is the cleaning powder. This is cleaning powder, is nothing but citric acid, which is used for e-cleaning. 2 packets, I have taken 2 packets. I am taking it out. You can tear it up easily, pouring it to the tank. This packet is normally you will be getting 6 packets along with the machine, and you can also order it online, or you can get it from the store, the nearest store, or the distributor from whomever you bought this machine. He will help you out to get this powder. This powder will cost you the complete box. If you buy it, it is somewhere around 24 numbers you will get it, and each packet will be costing somewhere around 70 rupees for you on an average. So now I have poured this powder into this cleaning tank, and I need to fill water of 370 ml as it is indicated over there. So I am filling the water here. Right. Now this I have filled water in this tank. Now I am just closing the lid. So now the lid is closed. It's asking us to mix thoroughly. Again, mix thoroughly means I need to mix thoroughly so that the powder is completely mixed with the water and you get a solution, the citric acid solution. It is unlike with the other models what we have, HD501 and other things. It is different in that model. Now this is enough actually. Now straight away we can fix it over here and again close it with this lid. Now say OK. The moment you say OK, the e-cleaning process number 2 is that insert the cleaning tank, which already we have did it over here, step number 2. Now say OK. Now step number 3 is that please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. This is cleaning cartridge, you need to have it, which comes along with the kit, and then just remove the filter. You have arrow mark here on the side, left hand side, press it and then raise the lid, you will get that above. And for removing this filter you need to be very careful as many people break the lock without knowing the process. So there is a knob over here, you can see open and close. Just put your finger here and then open smoothly, you will get it. It's just in a half circle. Keep it aside, take out the filter, and remember that there will be a washers. You take it out, keep it again on it. There are 2 washers in that, you can take it out, and then I am just fitting this one to it. Sometimes the washer doesn't come out, so you can keep the same washer over there and then fix that on actually. And then this is most important parameter, as you have taken out, the same way you need to fix it up. First you need to fix it like this, place the whole half circle over there, and then there is a groove over there. Smoothly you just rotate like this, that's it, tuck, that is done actually. Again replace back this cover tool on it such that it is safe. Powering off. Now again powering on. You can keep this filter in a safe location such that no insects should go inside, and then refrigerator is the best location which you can prefer to have it. Now say OK, we have replaced it. Now fourth one is that please put the cap on the secondary hose. The gray color hose is the secondary hose and this is the cap which is I am going to insert such that the water should not go, because this is a solution and this solution should not be wasted. That's the reason this is a cap, which also comes with the kit, and I will just try to put it over there. Yeah, done. It's done. I have placed that knob over there. Now say OK. Now it's in e-cleaning. Press start to begin the e-cleaning. The moment say start, you can see that the process has started. It's a process of 3 hours. The beauty in K8 machine is that it does it automatically. You don't have a hassle of keeping a glass and then pouring both the pipes over there actually. So 3 hours it will take its time, and then the whole e-cleaning process is done. Again I will be getting back to you after 3 hours, and then I will show you that what are the next process to make it fully cleaned. So remember, this e-cleaning is needed to make the machine work in a fantastic condition. Stay tuned, I will be coming up after 3 hours. So now let's see that what the time remaining now. Yeah, now it's 2 hours 4 minutes are still remaining. So almost 56 minutes have passed. So we need to wait for another 2 hours 4 minutes to complete the whole e-cleaning process. Yeah, after the 3 hours is completed, you need to remove the knob which is there below, which we have fixed it. The moment you remove the knob, the citric acid water which has been completely used to clean the plate drains out, and after that the step number again, then in the next step you need to completely take out the cleaning cartridge and then replace with the filter over there. And after that you need to replace the enhancer tank which was been taken out, which was been replaced by the cleaning tank. You need to replace that with the enhancer tank actually. And after that you need to run the equipment continuously for 5 minutes, it's a 300 seconds, okay, and then it will be running off the whole water, which is taken care automatically. The moment it is completed, boom, your e-cleaning is done. Now when we need e-cleaning, the first and foremost thing is that when we few of the questions most of the users have this in their mind and they keep on asking me, so let me clarify you in this video that when we need e-cleaning, and this e-cleaning is needed whenever every once in a month, if you do it, it's in an excellent condition. But few times what happens, we missed out, we forget, and we keep on seeing a white flaky material in the water, drinking water what we are taking. It's nothing to worry on that part. It's a calcium flakes which is coming out, which was being deposited on the plate, the platinum plate inside, and to the force of the water which is coming out. So that is the indication where you need to do e-cleaning. And the second thing is that the plates does it ionization in a full efficiency when it is free of any scaling, and free of scaling means e-cleaning has to be done. So do not miss it. You need to do the e-cleaning once in a month, or whenever you are seeing a flaky material over there, do it immediately. So that will add more efficiency and it will give more ORP levels, which will make your family and yourself healthy. So thanks for watching this video. I will be coming up with another video with another value addition which will make you to use this equipment in a fullest of its potential. Thank you. You are innovative water expert.